Want to repost a post on X? I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to retweet a tweet on X, formerly known as Twitter. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now select any post that you want to repost. Then at the bottom of the post, beside the comment icon, tap on the repost icon. Tap on Repost. Then it will be reposted. Then to unrepost it, tap on the icon again. Now type on Undo Repost. If you want to add some comments and repost, then tap on the icon, then tap on Quote. Now you can type in any comment that you like. Tap on Repost at the top right after you're satisfied. And that is how to retweet or repost on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.